we are going to see about the topic of modify or update a tuple in Python. Normally, tuple is a immutable object. So, immutable object means we cannot able to replace a particular object. So, there is some two ways are available. So, suppose you are passing the whole, changing the whole element from the tuple means there is no problem to replace it. But you are suppose passing the specific element, one element means it not allow it. We can able to handle the particular error in exception. So exception we know that suppose you are passing the example I have going to ATM center, so I can put my card to the ATM machine and it will ask the PIN number. Suppose I wrongly type a password, it automatically showing please check your pass. This is acknowledgement enabled. So that way we can handle some error. So okay, insert a wrong password also is a error one, so it will produce the acknowledgement file. That way we are using try and except block for the exception handling. So we see the example for it. Now take it I variable. So here I using open close bracket used to represent the tuple. So every element have an index number. So here 11 is stored in position 0, 1 and 2. So now we know that here I just access the 0 index element 11. So now replace I try to replace, but it's showing the error, we know that, but so replace another value for it. Here I give the is showing the error because it does not support the item assignment. Here it is a type error, so we can able to change the particular type error into exception one. So we see the example for it. So now I open the new file. So try to type the new variable. So here give the my tuple variable equal to, so we know the open close bracket used to represent the tuple. So within the tuple we are given the square bracket. So square bracket used to represent, we know that square bracket used to represent the list, but here is the whole elements covered by the list only. So here start from the 0, 1, 2, 3. Here is a 4. So fourth row it have 4, 0. So fourth row 0 column, fourth row 1 column. So it will represent like that way. So now print before modification. So here I try to replace the one element. So we know that this is error, but we will handle our exception only. So by using try except block, so here I give the 0 equal to 11. Here give the alias name. So we know that it will produce a type error, but I can change it like an error. So here is the error, comma ex select given alias name. So now we know that here I try to change the print replace the fourth row. So this is represent row, this is represent column. So try to change the 77. So we know that it is a list one. So there is no list is not a immutable one. It is a mutable one. So I try to change it. Fourth comma. Now check it print after modification. So now change all the elements from the tuple. So I change the variable elements. Here pass a new element, so it automatically change into new one. So here are the reassignments. Let's change all the elements from the previous variable. So here just print the variables it holding the my what are the elements present in our my tuple means automatically showing the output. So here we print the variables. We know that it is handling the exception one, so we cannot modify the particular element from the list. Sorry, tuple. So it is not possible, but it will handle the error. So handle errors monitor through the right. So it automatically throw the except block. So except block handling the exception way. So it automatically showing the except one. It not showing the error. So it not show the type error. So only showing the error. So here I give the error. So it will represent an error. So now I change. Here is a tuple. Tuple having the list. So in the list element we can able to replace it. So I can replace the 0th position as passing the value new value, and after the one hour position I change it. So after the modification automatically return the new elements. Here it only change the list elements only, not for the tuple elements. So here change the new passing new element automatically change our previous element. So it pass the new elements, reassigning the new elements, and it will change the all the values. Now I save the coding. Give press the invalid syntax. So here I give the comma for it. That way showing the error. Now get output. So first whenever we passing the just here the what are the element present in my tuple variable, it automatically produces our output. So now here is the print. So we know that it is exception one, so it will automatically handle the error. It not showing suppose there is a error means we will get a regular type error, something we get that way we get it, but it will handle the exception way. That way it's not showing the regular one, so it automatically showing the like acknowledgement for us. Here I change the positions, every positions. So we know that previously have 89, 99. So but it automatically changed it to 77, 108. So now here pass a new element from the tuple. It automatically change the new assignment. So tuple always accept our whole element change, not able to accept the only element change. So this is for example for modified updated tuple in Python coding. So thanks for watching this video.